adoma enne ana Ghana Black Stars ene Panama ebo omo first match ewo World Cup 2026 na Thomas Partey case no ye woy ya eye body anya banche ye nua be ma no entimi ankoka Black Stars ne ho ewo Canada enu ntimi ne wo kasa ide ene Ghana against Panama no enya dia Thomas Partey ebebobi na me share content bi ana me copy sports analyst any coach video so na video ni mu no na okase one Thomas Partey akasa na Thomas Partey se de sabi akwasi broni mode aye no nti ye ne omu hia obechi o maso papa.
For those who sat there to orchestrate this thing, who will shake your hand, will not shake his hand with all those nonsense. Nathan, read my lips. Read my lips. Anybody watching me on the GhPage podcast, that day, Thomas will remind the English people how good a player he is. I've had a personal interaction with him. And he told me that, Coach, in Solomon, no G. Na kan jufo ke han show yo wa hani ja chelewo chika je chelewo ambana mi ojoba. Can you translate?
so you're saying that Thomas says that all he prays for is for God to grant us all the ability to see that day, right?
See that day.
What day of the week is it?
The match is on Tuesday. Is on Wednesday.
It's on Wednesday. So
he can do for me. Yo wa hani ja chelewo.
Yeah, so he's saying that Tuesday night when he goes to sleep, he prays that God will grant us all the chance to see Wednesday. And that when match time comes. England will see the kind of player he is.
The England game is also a Wednesday game.
It's a Wednesday game.
Is a Wednesday. And he will show them. For me, I would say, my boy, show them.
Show them.
Show them.
Show them.
And they will see.
Message interview bin so Black Stars players ne so you ready say enne no omo be call all out. Now omo dey share Thomas Partey enmunyam. Me who one interviewer na oni Sibo me ankasa me homeboy from Kumasi Crew from Sibo senior boy. According to Sibo no or say they will do everything for Thomas Partey tonight.
Can I ask you, how has the squad responded to Thomas being denied a visa? How have you guys been taking? How have you guys taken it?
This coach always have a say that whatever that doesn't kill you make us stronger, and he has that word because we know that our brother has been through a lot these days, and we are always with him. We are always with him. He's one of our biggest stars in our team, you know. But for that, we have to make sure we win the game for him as a family to make him happy, because he is with us from the first day that we started this campaign, and it's heard that tomorrow we're playing our first game at this big stage and he's not part of with us, but we are giving him our word that tomorrow we will make sure that he will be at the back of the TV, and at the end of the 90 minutes he will be happy.
I don't think, but for so you Ghana niya say nyine ne say ye kwen kotodwa anima ye mompaye na ye mfanta Ghana Black Stars achi na ene ye ne Panama no ye ni nkunim na ye ni emanyam na ye nhye African so enmunyam e wom say African countries no omobo mo homoden de but e wo me ne e wo ye no ense eno nti de ye be ne say ene ye nyina de empaye beta Ghana Black Stars achi na yetime adi nkunim e wo Panama for ne so Panama mama ye hwehwani mu bia mo mrem ho ase ye mmom mo be 3 anase 4 din eya eya I don't know football season, but don't forget say Shatta Wale interview no are you ready? Shatta Wale interview no are you ready? Akasa me click public not to say interview no about bonting a 1 hour 20 minutes talk and yasem ketwa gra interview in some room no so I started so over trans 1 hour 20 minutes no sha kwesi awie and manfa Shatta Wale ankodi agro mi gina Shatta Wale kon so ankasa obaje di say mi gina Shatta Wale kon so amane fa telephone efre Mali ɛyɛ ɔno ankasa wife ɛba show ne so ɛma ɔno wale busa nsɛm bi from Mali ɛma Mali the reply ɛba during the interview ne nyinaa yɛ capture ne life ɛwɔ me convo with Shatta Wale no ɛno nti no mɛmpere ho koraa yɛpɛ the right time na ya drop it ɛyɛ World Cup yi surprises bebree na wom na ɛnɛ medanya ne yɛ no ɛka me sɛ deɛ obi aka ɛyɛ Andras Kwaku Messi nsɛnkyerɛnne a ɛnora ɔyɛɛyɛ against Algeria because Messi wankɔ tournament we sɛ ɔkɔpɛ biribia o daabi ɔaka kyerɛ ne boys ne sɛ jo momeɛnkɔ mu na aduru mu so sɛ mopɛ sɛ mogye biribi a mede mekɔtaa mo akyi kwa because medeɛ nyankopɔn adom mede medeɛ no aba na wieyɛ na mmom no baabi aduru ne deɛ ɛyɛ hand to mouth na wiase nso adeɛ ehu ɛne sɛ obi a ɔyɛ gifted ɔyɛ talented ebenya freedom a pressure ni so a ɔde yɛ adeɛ obi a ɔyɛ gifted obi a ɔyɛ talented burden biara na ne so because so what study a gifted people na say multi-talented people no more times no say ya na amanye bi de omu so ana say asani so de hunu bi o mpese mo accomplish bibi a omu ntimi perform to their fullest enu bi na na ye Messi no because no mo de World Cup trophy ne ha na adwene enu ti Nyankopon ye na dom na 2022 no oji wie ye no sa bed no afri ni so enu ti sa tournament we no se Messi bought even 5 matches kra na wanye trophy na records na Messi be ye no one he be take be 40 years and san obi a breaki. I'm telling you because freedom any piece a Messi di ball no this time round no is different. Different. So Messi winning ball ma Messi ji ball na wa relax it. Che say adia ɛyɛ me yakakra ne Ronaldo a obehia Messi ɛwɔ ne lifetime emu ɛyɛ adia ɛyɛ me yapa because Ronaldo yɛ nipa was sacrifice n'ani gye nyinaa to be somebody. Ronaldo upe nipa ɔba asase so no was sacrificing the bibia to achieve bibia onye number 2 a ɔbɛyɛ number 1. I'm telling you Ronaldo sacrificing the bibia pa no Messi ansa mani nya hoto no ɛyɛ adia kyɛ sɛ ɛya o adia Messi dia ye Ronaldo ɛwɔ ne lifetime mu no sɛ daakye sɛ Ronaldo ko hyia Messi pa wa samando a sɛ de Ronaldo be sia pu Messi aso no Messi ata Ronaldo ani o wiase pa o because na me share documentary bi about Ronaldo. This guy is fucking disciplined. You can't so be a discipliner. Ronaldo only life. I'm telling you before God and man. So also Ronaldo documentary. Ronaldo only life. Et se bi ufri Ghana no ababo chebe ye adwuma sa obobra. Only life. Adwuma efie. Normally mo ye Sundays and Saturdays count the crowd any time. The same thing. Anna atu Ronaldo all the life. Ever since I discovered who or ye na say obey professional footballer no. The routine no and for years. And Usha Ronaldo performance of later. Nanka was so a jai bo. And so jai ba. O jai ba. The Messi yeno. Wa she and the brain in abaya kwa. Obia crank kind is all be yase. And until man. On Timmy Crana. Hey, yo. Hey, if you say yo. If you say yo. I just say, ene, anopa. Me a show say Ronaldo. E denyani ye pa oba social media no. Me a mitimu say, just a Portugal for Emma Ronaldo psychologist. No, I'm telling you. Me say, it's a Portugal for our investment be here our tournament we ma omo first scanning professional psychologist mu sports psychologist no mo ben Ronaldo because atete a Messi Eddie Ronaldo befem this World Cup no. Eya. Eya. Just ade ne yami ya. Ronaldo asem ne yami ya o. Ronaldo asem no. Now, ene oko socials a the obi e kan say Ronaldo wako goat no one check. This is your last dance. Do something before you die. Why? And he name say Ronaldo. Says ahode ni ho. Zero ahode na sa. Zero Bonah no bono. Na ya ahode 70. Ebi IQ 30. Eno de obi onimbo mu bia be kan kire say no. Ronaldo Bonah obono. Eye discipline na ebo ball no. Eye discipline any physical strength na eye adwuma. But Osha Messi ma ono so IQ 80 ahode 20. Enti now bedding any kwaku Messi so no. Say eya. Messi dodo na muni Messi no mon kan che ne say eye. Enough is enough. Ayeye. Messi ayeye jai ball ne Bonah Ronaldo on koda din. Now me share a video be from me ankasa me prophet Uche ho. Na o say spiritual realm no mpo no. And penifo de se di so mo trase na omu ye bibi fa ho na omu de cap no Emma Ronaldo na okoda din yes a wanhwe a unua wukura na obeye samankwenche wasase so. Na so Ronaldo na mu so duebo Ronaldo wo sa akọ wo so duebo. Ronaldo na tena interview so eka say World Cup yes 7-match tournament. Unse bi say no ka ebe wan ya aba you so kasa no are very careful because ensem na be pie free anu ma ba no ebe ti twa no sa na aba eyaw. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of the Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm a part of this bigger family. Onyankopon shraw na ontenenim chiro. I'm out.